Hey there, fellow food lovers. If you're anything like me, you know that few things can light up a dinner table quite like a perfectly cooked piece of salmon. Whether you're a seasoned home chef or just starting to experiment in the kitchen, salmon is one of those ingredients that always feels a little bit special. Salmon isn't just delicious, it's a powerhouse of omega-3s, protein and phenomenal flavor. It's the kind of fish that's as good for your body as it is for your taste buds, making it a favorite for health-conscious eaters and foodies alike. But here's a little secret, not all salmon are created equal. In fact, there's a whole world of salmon varieties out there, each with its own unique taste, texture, and best ways to enjoy it. Let's dive into the tasty world of salmon and discover the top 5 types you've simply got to try. Whether you're grilling, baking, or making sushi, knowing your salmon can take your cooking to the next level. First in our lineup is the king of all salmon. You guessed it, king salmon, also known as Chinook. This variety is prized by chefs and seafood lovers around the globe for its luxurious texture and rich, buttery flavor. This bad boy is the richest and creamiest of the bunch. Packed with high fat content, it's like biting into a piece of salmon heaven. The marbling in king salmon gives it a melt-in-your-mouth quality that's hard to beat, making it a true delicacy. Next up, we have Sockeye salmon. This variety is instantly recognizable by its vibrant, almost ruby-red flesh, which stands out in any seafood display. Recognizable by its vibrant red flesh and bold flavor, Sockeye is leaner than king but packs a punch when it comes to taste. Its firm texture holds up beautifully on the grill or in the oven, and its robust flavor shines through in every bite. It's perfect for grilling or baking, and if you're a fan of that classic salmon taste, Sockeye won't disappoint. Many people love it for its slightly firmer bite, and the way it pairs with bold seasonings and fresh herbs. Now let's talk about Coho salmon. Sometimes called silver salmon, Coho is a favorite among those who prefer a more subtle seafood experience. With a milder flavor and medium fat content, Coho strikes a lovely balance between the rich king and the bold Sockeye. It's not too heavy, not too light, just right for a wide range of recipes. It offers a slightly lighter, more delicate flavor profile, making it a versatile choice for all sorts of dishes. Moving on to the budget-friendly Keta salmon, also known as Chum or Silver Bright. While it might not have the fame of king or Sockeye, it's a staple in many kitchens for good reason. This variety has a firm texture and a milder flavor, making it a fantastic option for salmon burgers or smoked salmon. Its lower fat content means it holds together well in patties and is perfect for recipes where you want the salmon to shine without overpowering other ingredients. Don't let the price fool you. Keta is versatile and delicious. It's a great way to enjoy salmon on a budget, and its subtle taste makes it a hit with kids and adults alike. And last but not least, we have pink salmon. This is the smallest and most common type of Pacific salmon, and it's often the first salmon people try. The smallest and most common type, pink salmon is known for its mild flavor and is often found canned or in frozen products. It's a go-to for quick meals, and its gentle taste makes it a crowd pleaser in everything from casseroles to sandwiches. It's a great option for those quick, no-fuss meals. If you're looking for convenience without sacrificing nutrition, pink salmon is your best friend in the kitchen, so there you have it. From the rich and buttery king salmon to the mild and convenient pink salmon, there's a type of salmon for every palate and recipe. Each variety brings something special to the table. Whether you're after bold flavors, delicate textures, or just a healthy, satisfying meal. The next time you're at the store, which type of salmon will you choose to elevate your next meal? No matter your pick, you're in for a treat. Happy cooking, everyone. And remember, exploring new types of salmon is a delicious adventure, so don't be afraid to try something new and make it your own. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed the video, make sure to hit that subscribe button for more awesome content. And don't forget to smash that like button! Thanks for the support. See you in the next video.